Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Naseko Paps, and today I'm going to review this juicer. I bought it recently and I did the unboxing, so I want to try it out and see how it works. I've got some oranges over here, so I want to wash the oranges and then we can juice them. I think I'll try the juicing a melon. What do you think? Because in the video that I watched, I saw that it can juice a lot of fruits, so I think I'll try juicing even a melon or something. So let's get into the video. So guys, that's the juicer in action. You can see the leftovers, I mean the seeds and the fiber over here, but I've already found some defaults in it. So this is the juice that it has made. The reason that I kept holding it at the top is because it kept on popping. I think this plastic is a weak plastic. You can see already, let me show you, where it is supposed to attach already it has started chipping off. I don't know whether you can see very well in a chip easy places. So
Mama,
wait, oh, thank you. So you can see these places has already started chipping. That's why I was holding it at the top. You can see all other places, even here imeanza kuchip, and it's the first time using it, so that's why I kept on holding. And I think overall you have to be careful with it. I don't know zikiisha kabisa what somebody will do, but I think it's a good product overall. But that's the problem I found with it. It detaches and the plastic is chipping. So this is the juice that it has made. Let me it's pretty good one when you have good oranges, and I think I would recommend this product, except for the part that it's chipping over here and it's a first time use. So I'm wondering whether what will happen in a continuous use or an everyday use case. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have, see you on my next video. Bye bye.